Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.